Welcome back, design enthusiasts. Now that we have explored both the SQL and the NoSQL databases, the natural question is, how do you choose between them? So let's dive into some general guidelines that can help you to decide. But keep in mind, it's not always black and white. Your choice will often depend on the specific needs of your project. First, speed. If you need very fast data access, NoSQL databases might be generally preferred over SQL. NoSQL databases are designed to handle large volumes of data and can retrieve the information pretty quickly, making them a great choice for real-time applications. Next is scale. When the scale is too large, NoSQL databases tend to perform better than the SQL databases. NoSQL databases are built to scale horizontally, meaning that you can add more database servers to handle more data. This makes them ideal for applications with massive amounts of data, like social media platforms or big data applications. But what if your data fits into a fixed structure? This should prompt us to think about SQL databases. If your data is well organized and has a consistent predefined format, like the user data which we saw, fields for name, email, phone number, address, etc. This kind of data goes very well with the SQL databases. On the other hand, if your data doesn't fit into a fixed structure, NoSQL should be your choice. Remember our earlier example of social media posts? That kind of unstructured data would go well with the NoSQL databases. Another consideration is the complexity of your queries. If you have complex queries that needs to be executed on your data, SQL is the better choice. SQL databases are designed for intricate queries that involve multiple tables, complex joins, and filtering. But if your queries are simpler and more straightforward, NoSQL databases can handle them just fine. They are optimized for quick, easy access to the data, without the need for complex querying or operations. Lastly, let's talk about flexibility. If your data changes frequently or is likely to evolve over time, go for a NoSQL database. NoSQL databases support a flexible structure, allowing you to add new fields, change the format of your data without much hassle. This is particularly useful for rapidly evolving applications where the data model isn't set in stone. So in summary, SQL databases, great for structured data, complex queries, and applications where you can expect the data to be in consistent format. NoSQL databases, on the other hand, are perfect for unstructured data, large-scale applications, and scenarios where flexibility and speed are the key. You got it right. Flexibility and adaptability can take you much further than rigidity. After all, in both databases and life, the ability to evolve with the times can be the key to success. Remember, these are just general guidelines, and the best choice often depends on the unique requirements of your project. It's all about finding the right tool for your job. Stay tuned for the next one.